Good morning, everybody. What's the Eagle? What's up? So we are back here today at Disney. I am going to grab me some quick breakfast over here at the Polynesian. What else is new? Then we're here today. We're going to spend some time exploring Flower and Garden. Now, what's pretty awesome is Epcot, as you know, is my favorite park, and I love it just during Flower and Garden. It looks amazing. So I always take some really good pictures during Flower and Garden. So yeah, looking forward to that. Also might be meeting up with a fellow Disney friend later on, so that's always fun. All right, let's go get this breakfast. All right, guys, so here we are having the Loco Moco. It's a hamburger with an egg covered in gravy. Really delicious. This was added with one of the recent menu changes. I always used to get the Big Kahuna breakfast. This is one of my new favorites for breakfast here at Kona Cafe. And of course, got a side of bacon. And I didn't do the mimosa flight today, just got regular, just individual mimosa with pineapple juice. Some sriracha. And there's that Loco Moco there. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and enjoy this. Alright guys, as you saw that, I just had that amazing breakfast from Kona Cafe. Like I said, it's my favorite spot for breakfast. That Loco Moco is so good. And it did take me, I'd probably waited longer than it took me to get in there. So yeah, I usually stay parked here at the Polynesian, but I'm probably going to hop in my car and drive over to Epcot. Just because I'm not going to Magic Kingdom at all today. I know I always say that, but I'm not. Today it's strictly Flower and Garden and capturing content from Flower and Garden Festival. Alright guys, I'll see you guys at Epcot. Alright guys, oh, focus. There we go. Alright, over here at Epcot now. Now, like I've always said, this is my favorite park. So we're going to do some Flower and Garden. I should be here and I'm going to focus on just, spending the day at Epcot. Like I said, might be meeting up with one of my Disney friends later on, and that's always fun. And yeah, we'll see how much content we can gather. Over here, it looks like construction's well underway for the Guardians of the Galaxy ride that's coming here to Epcot. See, behind me here. That's going to be a lot of fun. I know people are all like, oh, it doesn't fit in. So what if it fits in with the theming? It's going to be fun, and it's going to be another major e-ticket ride for Epcot, which is good. Maybe people won't have to wait half their day for Frozen once Guardians opens. Then you can walk right onto Frozen. Everybody will ride Guardians of the Galaxy. So if you haven't been on Frozen, wait till Guardians opens, then you can go on it as much as you want. Alright guys, I'll see you inside. Alright guys, over here at the 2018 Flower and Garden. So our first stop today, I've already walked around, checked out some of the booths I want to do. So our first stop here is at the Pineapple Promenade. Now, they didn't have any really food that I wanted to try at the Pineapple Promenade. They have a spicy hot dog, that's always here. I've had that before, it's pretty good. It's just a hot dog for the most part, but the big thing at this booth is you can get your Dole Whip, and you can get it normal Dole Whip, or you can get it spiked with rum, which is really good. But instead of Dole Whip today, I got this Mana Pineapple Ale. Let me see here, I got the description of it right here. So it is, yeah, it's from the Maui Brewing Co. It's the Pineapple Mana Wheat from Kiai, Hawaii. I know I'm mispronouncing that, but yeah, so this is the first stop. Got some of my favorites that I'm going to check out today. We have over at the Smokehouse, of course, you have the Burnt Ends, which is always good. So we're going to head over there in a little bit. Now, one thing I always recommend when you come out here is picking up one of the gift cards and loading it up with your set amounts. It's the best way to break it up here and keep track of what you're spending. So like, you know, load 50 bucks on it, start, and then when you're done, call it a day, you know, and then come back and start again another day. It's a lot easier than having to keep taking out your credit card, or, you know, I use Samsung Pay a lot, or just have to keep taking out my phone. And then you also want to keep, pick up your passport, which all these festivals have a passport. And, you know, keep track of what you like, what you don't like. Make sure you put your stickers in there. So yeah, now flower and garden, it's, you know, still has a lot of the gardening flower aspects of it, but it's become kind of a mini food and wine, which that's not bad. You know how much I love food and wine. And we should change the name to, you know, flowers and food, or food and, you know, flowers and wine, you know, something different here, because it is, like I said, a miniature food and wine. They have, what did it say here? 11 food kiosks, I think I counted. No, sorry, 15. So, and it lists all of them, so you can check off your, which ones you go to. Alright, I will see you guys in a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and try some more, finish up this pineapple ale, and go ahead and try some more beers. Later, guys. Alright guys, this is a dish over here at the Cider House, located over near Rose and Crown. And today I'm having the pear cider brine, shredded corned beef with braised cabbage, pears, and Branston dressing, which is perfect because at the time I'm filming this, it's St. Patrick's Day. And then we are having the Florida Beer Company Carib Pineapple Tropical Hard Cider from Cape Canaveral. So, you know me, I love my local beers. This is a returning dish, which is always really, really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and dive right in. Boy, that corned beef was so good. And so was that cider. Like I said, it's pretty crowded.
These are our cider.
So I'm probably not going to do it today, but usually at Epcot, I like to stop over here at Rose and Crown for a half and half. All their food's good. Whether you're eating at the restaurant or at the bar, Scotch egg, fish and chips, awesome. You can get the fish and chips outside at the fish and chips stand. It's all the same kitchen. Rose and Crown. Pretty awesome. It's one of my favorite places. Alright, so I've had a beer from one stand, a beer and a food item from another stand. Oh no, the lines are pretty busy. But I want to go to the smokehouse and have my my burnt ends. There's people waiting for Alice. I should go wait and talk to Alice and ask her what her favorite food is. So the things I do for my when I come out here, if I meet a face character, I like to ask them what their favorite food is. It's pretty funny. There's a video where I asked Jasmine what her favorite food was, and it was during food and wine. And she talked about the spicy hummus fries, which are so good. It's one of the returning favorites. It's been here for the past couple years that I really, really enjoy. Alright, I'm gonna head over here. See you in a little bit.
Smokehouse. Had my favorite. You probably just saw the video before this, but so I'll describe it to you in case you didn't get the description the first time. But it's beef brisket burnt ends hash with white cheddar fondue and pickled jalapenos. This is a returning favorite that's been coming back I think a couple years now, and I always get that. It's so good. And then that with the maple bacon stout, which is another Florida beer, which I like that they started having a lot more Florida beers. There's some really good breweries here in Florida. I don't see my favorite, Cigar City, that often, but oh well, they did add Cigar City on the Disney cruise ship, so maybe it'll make it to the parks. All right, guys, so I am going to head over to Germany now. I think I'm going to have, there aren't that many food kiosks, so I should be able to do all of them. All right, guys, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so we are closing out our day here. The last booth I'm doing today is the Bower Mountain Farmers Market, which is over here by Germany. This year they didn't have the bratwurst with like the curry and the potato chips like I usually get, but they did have something new that I got, which you saw before this, but it is going to be the toasted pretzel bread topped with Black Forest ham and melted cheese. So it's a ham and cheese pretzel sandwich, so can't go wrong there. And then for the beer, we got the Klostreitzer Schwarzer Black Lager. So, weather's good today for some dark beers. Like I've said before, if you come here during like the start of Food and Wine, it's brutal out there. So like beers like this, so they'll end your day quick. Alright guys, well make sure you're following along on all my social media channels. May do some more food Flower and Garden vlogs this year, but otherwise, that's it for this year. Come on out, enjoy the festivities, and I'll see you guys next time.